Good morning, everybody. My name is Marco Misitano. I'm the Regional Director for Radiflow in Italy. Today we are at ITcore and I'm sitting here with Andrea Olivetti. Would you like, Andrea, to introduce yourself?
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Marco. I am Andrea Olivetti, OT Business Developer for ITcore, one partner of Radiflow.
One of the notable partners in Italy. So, Andrea, ITcore has a very strong presence in Italy, especially in the industrial sector. What was the reason so that you seek a partnership with Radiflow, and what, in your opinion, stood out with respect to the Radiflow OT offering?
Okay, in ITcore, we are always looking for new ways to improve the quality of our services, especially in the OT market. This drives us to explore and understand both emerging technologies and those already shaping the market. And with Radiflow, we believe we have found a strong partner to enhance the quality of our assessment and consulting services, particularly thanks to the Chiara solution. And what impressed us most was the flexibility of both the solutions and the vendor. On one hand, the technology easily integrates with other tools available in the market, and on the other hand, Radiflow has shown great adaptability, both technically and commercially, to fit our processes and the way we deliver services.
Okay, that's great. And Andrea, from your perspective, from ITcore perspective, today, what are the most pressing challenges in OT security that Italian OT environments are facing today?
Today, most likely, the main challenge facing OT companies is having to quantify the risk of their industry environment and based on that, define a remediation and mitigation plan. So these are not easy investigations to carry out, considering that an industrial company with multiple plants, with heterogeneous industrial automation networks and systems, would have to perform multiple risk analysis and assessment. And being able to have a native risk management platform for the OT environment is so important. Chiara can be the answer to these needs that today are fundamental aspects also for the compliance to, for example, NIS2 directive and the new regulations in industrial market.
Yeah, and I tend to agree with that. So you mentioned Chiara as an element that dramatically helps ITcore helping their clients and addressing their needs. Can you explain how within the partnership that we have, the Chiara component allows you to address these challenges more quickly, better, or more generically in a more effective way?
Of course, Marco. Chiara, we can say that help us and our customers, I think, in four main aspects. In speeding up risk analysis, okay, in strategically defining remediations using a risk-based approach, in monitoring the risk levels on OT environments over the time, but most importantly in speeding up the start of OT security projects, because it allows us to produce an high-level reporting very, very suitable for management contexts, such as, for example, board of directors. So I can say that with Chiara we can develop a real and complete strategies, not only technical projects.
So you're saying that Chiara also helps elevating the conversation at board level, which
Exactly.
is a game-changing element into securing budget and help the board understand.
Exactly.
That's some great insights. Do you have a specific example or a customer engagement in mind where Chiara delivered a tangible improvement in either in delivering additional visibility or helping reduce the risk or streamline the decision-making pro?
Absolutely, Marco. We recently completed an assessment for a major customer in the energy sector, an essential entity under the NIS2 directive. And during the project, we used Chiara to create a digital twin of the entire environment and carry out whole analysis directly on it, involving the customer throughout the process. The risk calculation and simulation features of Chiara helped the customer clearly understand each step of the remediation plan, from technical actions to governance policies and procedures. And we were able to link each step of the plan to a specific risk value, clearly showing how the proposed remediations would reduce the initial risk until to an acceptable level. Thanks to this service, the remediation project today is now underway, and the customer has been able to build a targeted budget and properly allocate investments to improve the security of its environment.
Yeah, that's a great perspective. Thank you for that. So, for those of you watching that you don't know, maybe you don't know, Italy has plenty of mid-sized market. And my question to you, Andrea, is given your unique perspective on the Italian market with this large number of mid-sized clients, how do you see OT risk management evolving, and how does the integration the integration of Chiara within your services enhance your ability as a services provider to provide OT cybersecurity solutions that are comprehensive and that align both to your commitment to safeguarding your clients' operation and their care-abouts in securing their environments?
Okay, so first of all, we have to consider that the risk management topic is maybe we can say the most important aspect that our market for big enterprises and also for small and small and medium businesses, it is the most important aspect that the companies have to consider today, because it is the initial point, of a security strategy. And here in ITcore today, with our know-how and direct experience in OT project combined with the possibility to configure Radiflow solutions from ICID to Chiara, to analyze industrial environments using, for example, IEC 62443 standard, we are able to offer to the market in first point services based on globally recognized methodologies, because it is very important.
Absolutely.
Improved OT assessments through advanced capabilities such as threat intelligence, breach attack simulation and risk calculation, shorter execution times for assessments, as you said before, comprehensive and effective remediation plans, okay, to secure the OT environment of our customers, and OT security projects with a solution that can permit to the customer to manage the risk over the time in a dynamic way. This last aspect today is very, very important in the era of the digitalization with actual and future regulation in Italy as also in other countries. The possibility to manage easily the risk level is maybe mandatory for the industrial companies. And finally, Chiara is now the solution we adopt at ITcore to complete our assessment in OT environment, but is also the solution that allows us to be able to think strategically about the development and continuous improving of new services. I think we can start to talk about managed services in OT cybersecurity dedicated to Italian market that is composed by not only big enterprises but by small and medium businesses.
Yeah. Andrea, thank you very much for your insights, and I'm looking forward to continue the partnership with you.
Thank you too, Marco.
Thank you.
Thank you.